How do I know if insulation came loose inside my ductwork? You may notice rattling noises, weak airflow, dusty air, unusual odors, or insulation fibers coming from a vent. Listen carefully when the heating or cooling system starts, stops, or changes speed, because loose insulation may shift and make a scraping, tapping, or crinkling sound. Check whether some rooms suddenly receive less air than before, since a damaged duct liner can block part of the passage. Hold a thin tissue near each supply vent and compare the airflow, but do not place your fingers or tools inside the duct. Look for fuzzy material, small particles, or unusual dust around the vent cover, and stop using the system if you see suspected insulation fibers blowing into the room. A flashlight can help you inspect the visible area after removing the grill, but never pull at material or reach deeply inside. A musty chemical or burnt smell may point to damaged duct material, moisture, pests, or overheated equipment, so the smell alone cannot prove the insulation is loose. One lesser-known clue is a sudden increase in dust even after cleaning, because damaged internal lining can shed particles when air rushes past it. For a reliable check, turn off the system and ask a qualified heating and cooling technician to inspect the ducts with a camera and test for air leaks. A common mistake is assuming every rattle means loose insulation because loose screws, dampers, or debris can make similar sounds. Have the entire duct section checked. Do not use a household vacuum inside the duct, since it can tear the liner and spread particles. Use a professional cleaning service when needed. Another mistake is sealing a suspected problem with ordinary duct tape, which often dries out and fails. Use approved duct sealant only after the damage is identified. If the home was built many decades ago, ask whether the material could contain asbestos and avoid disturbing it until a qualified inspector tests it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.